How to potentially earn $2,000 from the Billions Network airdrop in 2025 for free. If you're looking for an easy way to earn crypto, you're in the right place. Let's break down this step-by-step guide on how to join the Billions Network airdrop and maximize your rewards. What is the Billions Network airdrop? Billions Network is a privacy-focused digital ID platform that uses zero-knowledge proofs for secure verification. This means you can verify your identity without revealing personal details, a game changer for Web3 security and privacy. Led by a former Consensus executive, raised $4 million in funding, launched a PowerPoint system where you complete tasks to earn redeemable rewards. This is one of the most promising airdrops in 2025, so don't miss out. How to join the Billions Network airdrop step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit the official Billions Network website. Click the link in the description to go to the official Billions Network website. Step 2. Sign up and accept terms. Click Continue with Google to register. Read and accept the terms, then submit your registration. Step 3. Complete all tasks. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the platform. Link your X Twitter account for verification. Step 4. Twitter task. Follow Billions and twitter.com/BillionsNWK on Twitter. Post a tweet tagging BillionsNWK to confirm participation. Step 5. Log in daily to earn extra rewards. Every day you log in, you'll earn plus 25 PowerPoints automatically. The more PowerPoints you collect, the bigger your potential airdrop reward. That's it. You're now set up to potentially earn $2,000 worth of Billions Network tokens, all for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on future airdrop opportunities. Looking for more profitable airdrops? Check out our playlist for more free crypto opportunities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.